In this video, you'll learn how to create a new credit note. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to create a credit note and then assign it to the customer. And the second way is to add the credit note directly from the customer's record. In this video, we'll focus on the first method, which is simpler and more direct. To begin, let's navigate to the Credit Notes section. Next, click the Add Credit Note button to access the new credit note screen. There are several required fields that you must fill in to create a new credit note. The first required field is the Customer field. I'll randomly choose a customer for this example. You can edit or add the bill to information for the credit note. This field will automatically display the customer's existing information, if available. The credit note ID will be generated automatically if you leave that field blank. The issue date field is also required. You must select a date. If you want to redeem a coupon for this credit note, click the Redeem Coupon button and select any applicable discounts. You can either manually configure a new item in the Line Items field or choose previously configured items by clicking the Plus Item button. I'll randomly select an item for this demonstration. You can also add sections by clicking the Plus Section button. To apply tax, simply click the Plus Tax button and select an existing tax. To attach files to this credit note, click the Upload button and choose the desired files. Finally, to create the credit note, click the Save and Issue button to complete the process. If you prefer to save it as a draft, click the Save as Draft button. Let's check it out. Congratulations. You've successfully created a new credit note for a customer in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.